Hello. Alright, this week in my classic recollections, I am using the Dear Diary kit by Mintleaf Prints. So we'll kind of flip through it so you can see it. I've already added the dates and did my trackers. It's real pretty pinks and purples. I like it. And all the full boxes. Fill your paper with the breathings of your heart. Thought it was pretty. From Three Tiny Bows, I have the little trash stickers, the Water the Plant stickers, the I Am Freaking Magical Unicorn stickers, and Bring Me a Frap So I Know It's Real, and the work stickers. I do PR for her. The links and codes will be below. And it's TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. From Brianna Nicole Designz, I have the grocery baskets, the shave stickers, the Busy Doing Nothing, the Traveler's Notebooks, the Get Crafty, the coffee, the little TVs, the I Don't Feel Very Worky Today, my Monday sticker, the dishes, the little unicorn bubbles doing her hair, and the Buy Cat Food sticker. I do PR for her. She runs a lot of sales, so make sure you check out my Instagram so you know when the sale is going on. And then this clip I just got, I thought it was pretty. I like the flower. I got it from a buy sell trade board, so I don't know who made it. This one is by Melissa, Designs by Melissa on Etsy. I will tag her in it just in case I got the name wrong. And then these two are from the Glitter and Glam Squad. I just thought they were cute and went with the kit. So we'll go ahead and get started. As always, I start with the full washing. I've had this kit a little while, so I'm not 100% sure if it's still in her shop. But if it is, it's a very pretty kit. And I like that she includes the extra little piece of washi up here for covering up the date, because I already know what month it is. And I like that it has the washi up there in the corner. Alrighty. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the sidebar. So I will start with Little Things. And I'll mark those off. Then we'll do the meals. Oops. I feel like I should break that up. So I'll put that little tracker in there just to kind of break it up a little bit. Then the meal header. And the little tracker to mark it down. And then we'll go with our to-dos, which is just going to be the tracker stickers that I use every week. This kit only had 2, so I kind of redid one to fit what I needed, which is okay. I just used the E for Etsy to make the evening and then just wrote in the dates. So it works for me. And this will have the sidebar all done. So there's the sidebar. Now we'll go ahead and add the dates. So there are all the dates. And I think I'm going to use full check boxes for the top row. Just to mark down all those little daily things that I need to do. Here, which it'll be my work stickers Monday through Friday, but they'll just be extras for the weekend. Put that on. And across the bottom here, I will use the full boxes. I've been watching a couple series on Netflix that I really like, so I definitely want to put the TVs in to mark them. And I want to use the weekend banner right here. I like that it's dark, so it'll really kind of stand out. Oops. And I wanted these half boxes here. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I think that is the main part of my layout. So we will add some deco. I think I'm going to put her right here. I like these little paper clips. Cute little bow. Coffee drink. And this pretty pen. The Sunday I always plan. Alright, so let's fill in with our icons. So I'll probably go to the store Saturday to buy kitty food. I will need to do my hair. Dishes will probably be Tuesday, Thursday, Monday. I never feel very worky. I'm going to do my little TV shows down here this week. And I don't mind that I'm not using all just pink and purple. Sometimes I like the other colors. It just brings more colors in and, you know, adds to it, and they stand out a little more. And the thing is, I don't watch TV every day. So sometimes these I just simply write, nope. Because if I was busy that day or did something else. Yeah, who has time to watch TV every day? And I always start every day off with coffee, but especially Mondays. And I do have, this weekend will be spent getting stuff ready for a couple of planner meetups I have coming up. I've got the CCP one, which mostly I don't have a lot to get ready for that, but I also have the 1407 that I do have stuff to get ready for it. I already used a planner sticker. Wednesday evening is kind of my rest and get everything done. I always shave on Saturday. Just all those little girl things that you got to keep up with. And when I buy cat food, I will go to the grocery store. Put my work stickers in. I like these. I like the font. And you know, they don't have to fit right in line. It still leaves me plenty of room to write what I need to write. So I think having them just a little bit crooked, I think just adds to it. So I think I'm going to cut this just a little bit to make it fit a little better. Because I love this sticker and I think everybody needs this reminder. But I want to use it this way. So I'm just going to trim off a little bit more of the white. And that is my Monday reminder that I am magical. And as always on Friday, bring me a frap so that I know it's real, meaning the weekend's really coming. So I need to take the trash out. I usually end up doing that like on Tuesday because it runs Wednesday. And then I got to water the plants. Alright. And I will definitely add more to this as I go along in the week. I always do. But I just try to set up the basic stuff that I know I'll be dealing with. And things change. Sometimes I'll put something down and then I'll have to move it around. Especially like the chores and stuff, because you know, if I eat out, well then I don't need to do the dishes. Haha. But there is my spread for the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.